No, I swear these are not eggs. How can that be, you say? It looks like scrambled eggs, but it's not. It's tofu. In addition to looking like eggs, the texture is remarkably similar to scrambled eggs as well. And I've brought together elements from Indian and Mexican cuisine to take you on a super healthy cross-continental culinary cruise. Say that 10 times fast. Cross-continental culinary cruise. I'll forget it. Some of you may ask, what have I got against a perfectly good serving of scrambled eggs? Nothing. If you can consume fresh, free-range eggs, they're great. But maybe you're vegan. Maybe you discovered you have a dairy sensitivity. Or maybe you're just trying to add more vegetarian dishes into your meals. Either way, tofu is a great source of protein, contains the 9 essential amino acids, and has lots of great minerals your body needs as well. Now, to prepare the dish, there are several spices commonly used in both countries' cuisines, and then I'm going to take some additional elements from each country. Here's what we need: tofu and 2 plates and a towel to help press the water out of the tofu, some diced garlic, diced onion, and you could certainly add some diced capsicum, aka peppers, or jalapeno, depending on your tastes as well. Then, spices that are common to both countries include chili powder and whole cumin seed, which I forgot to include in this shot. My apologies to all cumin seeds everywhere. From India, we'll then add the garam masala and turmeric. Turmeric is the secret ingredient that will turn our tofu yellow. And it's also a great anti-inflammatory that you should try to include as often as you can in your diet. And then everything is better with freshly ground black peppercorn. And I've included some Himalayan salt as well. Yes, I know Himalaya is not in India or Mexico. It's just what I've got today, people. Work with me. Now, I've already opened my package of tofu and dumped the water out. Next, I'm going to take the tofu out, put it on a plate on top of a towel, and use another plate to press some more of the water out for a few minutes. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Then you're going to put a oven-safe pan, that's right, you will be putting this in the oven later, on the stove over medium heat with some avocado oil. And then go ahead and we're going to roast the garam masala, chili powder, and cumin seeds just until they're fragrant. Shouldn't take too long. The cumin seeds will start to sizzle. Then you can go ahead and add in your onions and mix that all together with the spices and cook the onions just until they're translucent. And of course, don't forget the chopped garlic. I have that in last so that it won't burn. You'll want to break apart your tofu block by hand. Yes, the bowl I used was too small. And then after it's broken up, add the turmeric and the pepper and salt. Don't mix that by hand though, otherwise your hands will turn orange. Then add your tofu mixture to the pan, stir it around real good, saute it for a few minutes, and we're going to finish it off in the preheated oven for just 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're ready. We'll add some further Mexican elements by placing it all in a tortilla, adding some slices of very heart-healthy and satiating good fats from avocado, as well as some of my fermented salsa, which you can find the recipe for here if you click on the iCard. It's got great probiotic bacteria for your gut, and that helps your immune system function better. Trusty assistant, do you have anything you'd like to add?
I have some steps for you. 1. Like this video. 2. Subscribe to Dad's Dishes and put the notifications on all. And 3. Share this video with everyone you know. And 4. Comment down below. Bye!